let's discuss about everything that you need to know about AWS AI Cloud Practitioner certification. To give you a background, I have recently completed and acquired the AWS Cloud AI Practitioner certification, and this is my first AWS certification that I have did. In this video, let us discuss on all the things that you need to know about this certification. So first things first, let us see what is this AWS AI Cloud Practitioner certification actually means. So if you go to the official website, you can find here all the details about this certification. I'll provide the official link in the description down below so that you can directly land on this page. As it is mentioned, AWS AI Cloud Practitioner certification is a foundational certification, and the exam duration is around 90 minutes with 65 questions, and the cost is around 100 USD. The main motive of the certification and how it is different from the AI Cloud Practitioner certification is it mostly deals with the in-demand knowledge of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and even generative AI concepts and their use cases. So due to the emerging buzz in the AI and ML, this certification has covered you with all the basic concepts to get started with the artificial intelligence world. They have also provided the exam guide and 4-step plan that you can follow to complete this certification. To give you an overview, the exam is reported on a scale of 100 to 1000 marks, and the passing score would be 700. Also, if we focus on what is the actual exam content that is covered in the certification, are the following domains and the weightages that you can see on the screen, which are divided majorly into 5 domains, that is fundamentals of AI ML, which is 20% of the content, and fundamentals of generative AI, which is 24%, applications of foundational models 28%, guidelines for responsible AI, which is 14%, and at last but the most important thing, that is the security, compliance and also the governance for AI solutions, 14% of that. I'll leave the link of this exam guide also as well in the description down below so that you can directly go and refer through this exam guide. It also contains of all the different topics that you need to cover before attending this certification. So let us now see what are the resources that I used to clear this certification. This Udemy course by Stephen Marek, that is the Ultimate AWS Certified AI Practitioner AIFC01, is one of the best resources that you can use to clear this AWS certification. Also, there are some standard and enhanced study plans that are offered by the AWS itself in their official websites. I'll provide these links also in the description below, and those two resources are also helpful to actually crack this examination. Apart from just going to the course, you can also practice using the practice tests that are available in Udemy, which will make you more perfect and confident before the certification. The major topics that you need to cover before attempting the exam is Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Q, Amazon Bedrock, overfitting, supervised learnings and tokens. Make sure you're perfect with all these services and concepts, and also there's underlying concepts. Few tips and tricks that you can use before the examination is try to schedule the examination in your productive hour. It might be in the mornings, afternoons or evenings based on which your productivity levels are high. Also make sure you practice before you actually give your actual assessment, because practice tests that you give boost your confidence before writing the actual assessment. Also make sure to take advantage of AWS field trial that is provided for your hands-on experience. That's it for me today. If you want more details about this AWS AI Practitioner certification, just comment down below and I'll definitely answer your questions. Also, if you need more details, just let me know. I'll also make a dedicated video on the questions you have. Just subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any of my future videos. That's it from me today, guys. See you next time. Cheers.